Hello, my name is Hannah. I'm a lover of animes and mangas and fashion and makeup. And yeah, if you're new here, welcome to my channel, and I would say let's have some fun and let's get started. For today I thought about to recreate some anime hairstyles that I really like, and with my relatively short hair I want to show you how you can achieve these hairstyles nonetheless. And I'm also really excited about how it will turn out, and yeah, let's see. I saved some pictures on my phone and I would say let's get right into it. The first picture I saved is from Kaede from the anime Shuffle. I really loved this anime when I was in the middle school and I watched it from day to night every day. And yeah, I really like this hairstyle from Kaede. I think it's really cute, and as soon as I saw this I knew I wanted to recreate this one. So yeah, let's try it. She have a really big tie in red on the side of her head, but I don't have it in red. I have a pinky one, but I thought that will do its job too. So to recreate this one, we start to take some hair back and some in the front that we don't want to be in the back, obviously. With a hair tie, we take the back hair that we don't want to have in the front out of our way for now, so it doesn't bother us. And now we take this piece of fabric and from under the hair that we tied back, we pull it in the front, and she has a really cute hair bow at the side. It's a little bit difficult to let the hair bow look as smooth as hers because our will automatically fall a little bit down. So we have to make our hair tie a little bit smaller so it doesn't do it. Like that maybe. And now I have this cute piece on the front. But I don't want to be in our way like that, so I take it and pull it under the hair tie like that. And I play a little bit around with it until I'm satisfied. And now we can open the hair from the back and pull it a little bit forward. And maybe we can take some more hair in the front if we like. Yeah, I think this one is really easy and really cute, and I'm really happy with this look, how it turned out. And I think you can rock it on a daily basis, or if you go out in the evening. I think it's a really cute and fun hairstyle. So the next hairstyle is from the anime Kaede and from the girl Kotomi. I really love her little cute ponytails on the sides, and I really wanted to recreate this one as well. So let's get started. So for this look we take our front hair a little bit out of the way so it doesn't bother us and we can later pull it out again. Now we go at the very front of our hair like that and pull it back. And now with our little hair tie we try to make a little ponytail. Then we take a little piece of hair from our ponytail, not too big, and pull it over the hair tie so we cover it up. Now when the hairpiece is in the back, we use a little bobby pin and secure it. Now we can use a little bit of hairspray and spray it down. So now I'm doing the same with the other side, and try to match it as good as possible. After we did this, we can take the hair at the front, pull it to the side. And here we have our little Kotomi hairstyle. I really love this one. I think it's so adorable and I feel really cute in this one. And I think it's really easy and fast, and it makes the hair also a little bit puffier and thicker, and that's what I really like about this hairstyle. So after a little coffee break, I'm ready to do the next hairstyle. Let's see what we have. Let's do the OG of the hairstyles that probably every one of you guys know. It's from Sailor Moon, the little bun hairstyles, and I'm really intrigued to try this out. So now we start with the same technique that we use for Kotomi's hairstyle, but instead of take some hair in the front and pull it back, we use all of the hair and comb it back. Leave some bits out again from the back side of the head. And we secure it for now with a little hair tie. Don't have to be that good because we will work with it again. And now we look where the middle part of our hair is going and follow the line and go to the back and split it right there. And take again a hair tie and cure this side with the hair tie. Also, don't have to be perfect, we need this one for later as well. So let's start with this side, and this hair, comb it a little bit up like that until we're satisfied with the high. Don't take it too high, but maybe as high as you think you would like to have the buns in the end. Then you take this little invisible hair ties, this really little ones, and make a little ponytail. Then we can take the hair out again, and if you want to, you can take some hair bits out that your face is a little bit framed. Now we have this hair bit, and we take again invisible hair tie. Mine is black because my hair is black, so it matches well. Make another ponytail. Then we take this one and twist it until it creates naturally little hair bands, little hair buns, I'm sorry. And then you secure it with your bobby pins. Okay, this one is so cute. I don't even want to take it off. I love it. Okay, I think I'm really happy with the result. I would pull a little bit here and there if I want it a little bigger or a little bit messier, but I think I really like it the way it is right now, so yeah, I would leave it like that. Let's do the same on the other side and then we will see the finished result. Okay guys, I don't want to lie, I struggled with this side a lot more. You have always a side that it's the bad sisters of the two and they don't want to get even whatsoever, but yeah, I did it in the end, hopefully a little bit even. And yeah, but nonetheless, I'm really happy with this look. I think it's really cute and I love it. It's a little cute twist in the hair and it's a really fun and adorable look. Let's get to the next look, and the next look is also from a Sailor Moon character and it's Pluto, and I really love her little bun in the middle of her head with the little hair that's peeking out in the back. And yeah, I really wanted to recreate this one as well. For this one, I'm a person that really likes to frame the head with the hair, and that's why I always take a little bit of hair at the front, but I will cure it for now that it don't bother me as much. So what we do now is we comb like Kotomi and Sailor Moon's hairstyle. We take the front pieces to the back, secure it for now, the other side as well. Then we hold it with one hand and with the other we take the secure off. And now we start to take both sides and brush it to the back so that our middle part disappears and it's one big chunk of hair. So that we have now a little ponytail, but we want it a little bit bigger. We take also a little bit, not much, because we want the little bun as high as possible. We take a little bit of hair, I have to go back now. Take a little bit of hair from the back as well, so our ponytail gets a little bit bigger, and also the bun in the end have the chance to get a little bit bigger. Now we take a normal hair tie and do our hair like we would do a little ponytail, but when we feel that it comes to an end and we can't twist it anymore, at the last twist we don't do the ponytail all the way. We stop right at the middle so we can create something like that. I hope you get what I want to say. English is not my first language, so it's a little bit harder to explain. And now we take this part and we can play around with it a little bit. And what I like to do is take some bobby pins again and pull the hair from the sides like that. So it creates automatically a little hair bun. And when you don't like the result, you always can play around with it and take some more hair or some less hair, or take some hair out or twist it until you're satisfied with the result. So for every hairstyle you may need some more or less bobby pins, but I think bobby pins are always the key to create a good looking hairstyle, because you really can play around with it. So because I forgot it in my Sailor Moon tutorial hair bun, I use it now. I have a little moon hair clip that I really love with a little cat that sits on the moon, and I love this one. So I will bring it in my hairstyle. And let's open the front bits and form it to the sides. That's the Pluto hairstyle. I think it's really cute, it's really fun, and it's really playful, and you can, like me, add a little hair clip in the middle and let it look more interesting. So finally we come to our last hairstyle, and I'm so excited for this one. It's really simple, really cute, and I think really easy. Let's get into it. This one is from Air and it's Mizutsu. I really love this anime series as well. I watched it all day. I really love the character, and it was a really sad and beautiful anime. I really love her hairstyle. It's with a little ribbon again, so we use the same ribbon as in the beginning of our video, because I only have this one piece of fabric right now, and that have to do its job. I really love to take the hair of the front to frame my face again, and I think the character also have it like that. And I again pull this little hair string out of our way. This one is a little bit difficult because she has really long hair and it's not really that long. So what I will do to create a little illusion is to part my hair again in 2 parts. So let's do this. I take the hair, I think right where my ears ends or starts, depends how you see it, a little bit above that line, and part it right there. Take this piece and put it away right now. Now we need our little friends again, our invisible hair ties that are really small. And we take the piece from right here. If you have a lot bigger hair than me, this would be a little bit difficult to do. So if you have a lot bigger hair, use a normal hair tie. So what we will do now is take the hair and brush it up as high as we can. Now we take our invisible hair ties and make a ponytail again. And now we take this hair part and brush through it so all the knots are out, and we create another ponytail right above our first one, so it covers it up and it looks like one big ponytail. And that we are doing with a normal hair tie. Now to the fun part. So what we're doing now is we take our little hair ribbon or piece of fabric and take the first piece of our ponytail and pull it to the front so we can secure our little fabric underneath it, and then we push it away again, and now we can create a ribbon. This one we want a little bit bigger because it's in the back, and hers is as well really big and cute. So now we take the front pieces out again, and here's the finished look. It's really fast, really simple and really easy, but really cute, and it's eye-catching. I really like how it looks and how I feel with it. I feel really girly, really cute, and really summery spring vibes. I hope you will try some of the hairstyles at home, and I hope I have inspired you to do it on short hair as well. And it's really easy, but you just have to know how you can do the things on your shorter hair. But if you have it once in your system, trust me, it's really easy. You just have to, yeah, adapt the technique a little bit to your hair length. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you had fun to watch me doing all the cute hairstyles, and I see you next time. Bye!